We start with breaking news today. Just 3 days from now, you'll be allowed to go outdoors without a mask in Massachusetts. Both the Centers for Disease Control and the state lifting many mask requirements after nearly a year of mask mandates due to COVID-19. Good Tuesday evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chris Pisano.
And I'm Jordan Jagalinzer. State officials also announcing other big changes that could affect your summer plans. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo is live for us in Springfield with the details. And we do have team coverage getting answers following the state's announcement today.
Western Mass News reporter Leon Purvis standing by in Agawam with the theme park impact. But first, Audrey live in Springfield breaking it all down for us.
Again, people starting Friday in Massachusetts will be able to go outdoors without a mask unless social distancing is not possible. This comes with another move into phase 4, step 2 of the state's reopening plan, and also signaling a turning point in this fight against COVID-19. Whether it's a fashion statement, I notice you have like a chili pepper mask, or a homemade creation.
My wife made it.
People tell Western Mass News they're ready for changes when it comes to the state's COVID-19 face covering mandate.
You know, my glasses fog up. It's a pain in the neck.
And that change is upon us. State officials on Tuesday announcing that effective April 30th, face coverings are required outdoors only when social distancing is not possible. They'll still be required indoors and at some outdoor events, but the $300 fine is being eliminated. Those we spoke with are okay with this change, provided people use common sense in staying safe.
I feel if people can do the right thing, this is a good idea. I mean, I agree, outside, you're outside.
Other changes to the reopening timeline include a May 10th capacity increase to 25% for venues like stadiums and arenas. On May 29th, gathering sizes will also increase, and festivals and parades can have 50% of their previous capacity after submitting safety plans to health officials. And state officials say as of August 1st, all industry restrictions will be lifted, including capacity and gathering size limits. But Governor Charlie Baker says that date is tentative.
We hope that with more vaccines and a continued success in stopping COVID, we can take this step earlier, but it will depend on everyone continuing to get vaccinated and doing the right things.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention announcing similar strides against COVID-19 Tuesday, saying fully vaccinated people in the U.S. can go maskless outdoors unless in a big crowd. People can use this chart to determine their risk of catching the virus in different social situations and decide whether or not to wear a mask. Advice that some locally vaccinated people were already planning to follow.
If it's going to be a crowded thing, yeah, I probably would wear my mask. But if it's outside where people got room and everything, I probably wouldn't.
Now, for a closer look at that CDC decision guide, you can head to our website, westernmassnews.com. We'll have it there. And there's 2 columns, one for people who are vaccinated and one for people who are unvaccinated. Now, coming up on Western Mass News at 6, we'll have more on how all of these changes really are going to affect some of those big summer events locally that people plan their schedules around. Again, that's coming up on Western Mass News at 6. But for now, I'm live in Springfield. Back to you.